This Blue Diamond 10-piece non-stick cookware set is a premium kitchen solution designed for serious home cooks, small families, and anyone looking to elevate their culinary experience with durable, high-performance cookware. With a combination of innovative diamond ceramic coating, ergonomic design, and versatile functionality, this set provides everything needed to cook healthier meals efficiently and safely while maintaining style and convenience. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. The core of the Blue Diamond cookware set is its diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating, which delivers 5 times the strength and 10 times the longevity of traditional non-stick surfaces. Unlike conventional coatings, this set is safe for use with metal utensils, allowing for versatile cooking without fear of scratches or damage. The non-stick surface is also PFAS-free, providing a toxin-free cooking environment for you and your family. This ensures that every meal prepared in these pans is as healthy as it is delicious. The cookware set is engineered for quick and even heat transfer. Each pan heats uniformly, eliminating frustrating hot spots that can burn food or leave it undercooked. This superior heat conduction allows you to cook meals faster and more efficiently, saving both time and energy. Whether sautéing vegetables, searing proteins, or simmering sauces, these pans consistently deliver professional-level performance. Durability is another defining feature of the Blue Diamond cookware set. Each piece is crafted with a heavy-duty forged base, providing warp control for long-lasting use. These pans withstand the rigors of everyday cooking without wobbling, warping, or losing their shape over time. Tempered glass lids allow you to monitor your food while keeping heat and moisture locked in, enhancing flavor and texture without lifting the lid repeatedly. The design also focuses on ergonomics and comfort. Riveted stainless steel handles provide a secure, comfortable grip, giving you total control over lifting, stirring, and transferring food. These handles are oven-safe, allowing for seamless stovetop-to-oven cooking at temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, expanding your cooking versatility significantly. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the non-stick surface and dishwasher-safe construction. Most messes wipe clean easily, and for more stubborn residues, simply place the cookware in the dishwasher. This saves valuable time in the kitchen, making it ideal for busy households or those who cook frequently. The Blue Diamond 10-piece set includes 7-inch frying pan .9-inch frying pan .2, quart saucepan with lid .2.5, quart sauté pan with lid .5, quart stockpot with lid .2, black nylon multipurpose cooking utensils. Key features and benefits. Diamond-infused ceramic coating for 5x stronger and 10x longer-lasting non-stick performance. PFAS-free for safe, toxin-free cooking. Rapid and even heat transfer for consistent cooking results. Heavy-duty forged base with warp control for long-lasting durability. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean for convenient maintenance. Oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit for versatile cooking. Tempered glass lids for monitoring food while retaining moisture. Ergonomic riveted stainless steel handles for secure, comfortable grip. Who this cookware set is ideal for. The Blue Diamond 10-piece non-stick cookware set is perfect for health-conscious cooks, busy families, and anyone upgrading their kitchen with durable, high-performance cookware. It is ideal for those seeking safe, easy-to-clean non-stick pans that perform equally well on stovetops and in the oven. This set suits both novice cooks and experienced chefs who value convenience, durability, and versatility in their cookware. Final verdict. Combining advanced diamond ceramic technology, ergonomic design, and exceptional durability, the Blue Diamond 10-piece non-stick cookware set offers unmatched value for any kitchen. Its toxin-free non-stick surface, heavy-duty construction, rapid and even heating, and oven-safe versatility make it a reliable companion for preparing everyday meals or elaborate dinners. With effortless cleanup and long-lasting performance, this cookware set is a practical, stylish, and health-conscious investment for any home cook. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.